Yun. Yung ginawa.
Pamilya ng Basila, nag-relingan. Nauna na yung isa kanina. Ayan, lalabas kami. Going to Tagaytay. Daddy.
Kaya si Odette.
Saan si Odette?
Oo nga eh.
May ano...
Ay! Ay! Hoy, lalaki ako. Hoy, lalaki ako. Ay, ng mga dalaga. O, kailangan pa talaga. Ay, saglit. No.
Ay, yung bag ko.
Kaya pala hindi nakalabas. Wait lang. Bagal.
Hi, bye-bye.
Ang dalawa naming ladies. Wala. Walang kagana-gana kumain.
Wow.
Yan. Kala nyo lang ha. Nag-extra rice pa yung dalawa. Oo. Ganun sila kalakas kumain. Dahil mag-workout yan mamaya dun eh. Tama-tama lang yan. Gugutumin natin yan mamaya. Okay, signing out.
Okay, we're back at Chesas.
Oh, pangit. Siglit mo.
Hindi, and this time, ayan, syempre, akala mo kung mukha ko, ayoko ng puro mukha ko. Di siya ba, puro mukha naman nila ngayon. Ayan, yung isa nagtakip na ng mukha. Oh. Sata po, bumalik po kami. December lang yata yun. Dito sa Chesas, kasama yung mga friends. Okay, so one of our go-tos when in Tagaytay. And after this, abang na lang po kung saan. Ay, ayan po, Kalerwega. Ang daming prutas, sabi ko sa inyo.
Ayoko.
At saka ano dito, kasi local talaga.
Local,
oo. Ayan, natin, ay, mang Indian mango, Ate Milet.
May Indian mango.
Oh, yan.
Sila.
15.
Ano yun?
15 ang isang kilo.
Hindi, iba yun.
Ah, iba yun?
Avocado yata yun.
Ay, avocado ba yun? 159.
250.
250 avocado?
2 kilos.
2 kilos, 150. 75.
ate. Hanggang video pala to.
I guess that you forgot the past. I see you happy on your life. Something's not clear, and I don't see that you feel hurt or that you miss me. I do not understand this. I do not understand this. Baby, your love is like fire, it's burning my heart and my body. I do not understand this. I do not understand this. If you were in love, if you were in love, tell me if you're nice. Oh yeah, call me in the night. Yeah, can we talk about love? Let's talk about love. Tell me about your life, and then you got. Forgot the past. I see you happy on your life. Something's not clear, and I don't see that you feel hurt or that you miss me. I do not understand this. I do not understand this. Baby, your love is like fire, it's burning my heart and my body. I do not understand this. I do not understand this. If you were in love, if you were in love, tell me if you're nice. Oh yeah, call me in the night. Yeah, can we talk about love?
no? Ako lang pala ang girl lalo rito.
Kami boys.
Lahat pala kayo boys. Ako lang palang girl lalo.
Ako lang.
Then kamusta? Nag-enjoy ka naman? Yung birthday girl.
Happy birthday to you. Happy. Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to.
Hindi, actually, kumanta yan. Ayan, sumayaw. Kaya nakapasok kami rito. Kasi ang mahal ng entrance fee.
Parking fee.
Oo. Yan, manager namin. Yung dalawa mga lockout yan.
Ginawa pa lang ano.
Ayan.
Ito na po yung last namin for the day.
Ilaw.
Tawag dito?
Yun.
Itinerary.
Yun.
Yan. Hindi naman mukhang pagod, di ba?
We're so,
Anong masabi
we're so
niyo?
happy and pagod.
Contented. Ayan. So,
Den ikaw, quiet si Den eh.
At may thrill po yung bakasyon namin dito kasi
Hulo, nasa video. May nero na naman sa likuran niya.
so ito po, palis na po kami ng Crosswind. So, ng visited places, places pala kasi dalawa is yung sa Lusain at saka dito sa Napa. Hindi na po kami makadaan ngayon sa Ruined. So, ayan po, going back home. Ihatid na muna po namin sila Lala sa
Enjoy, ingat sa Bicol. Pag-uwi. Okay, signing off.
Tita!
Tin ikaw.
Po.
Signing off. Okay, sige.
Bye! Signing off!
Ayun.
Ayan.